Hey guys, in this video, Anthony is quickly gonna hop on and discuss 3 things you should absolutely do to prep for yet another huge opportunity to make good money on your store during Boxing Day. It's huge. If you missed out on Black Friday, this is the time to kind of make up for that and get some quick orders before the month ends and the year ends. Here we go. You guys like Pop Smoke? You hit the woo. Hello, dispatch, over. Black Friday was a success for many people, guys, okay? We know so many people who did tremendous amount of revenue with their businesses for the Black Friday weekend to Cyber Monday. They did awesome, so did we. We're very happy. Then there's some people that didn't do too well. You know, they're just starting out. Maybe their product launch didn't go as big as they thought it would be. That's okay, guys. You have a second chance to redeem yourself. Boxing Day week is coming up literally in like 3 weeks. Now, here's how you can prepare for it, okay? I'm not sure if you guys in the States have Boxing Day like we do in Canada, but basically it's just the day after Christmas where everything's literally on sale. And then they also do like Boxing Day week sales, right? So it's kind of just like another Black Friday kind of thing. It's like a festive holiday. But the way you guys should be preparing for this is pretty much the same way you do for Black Friday, except just change around your offer so that's more festive like, you know. Everything with Black Friday and Cyber Monday is more like salesy, just like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, but you can schedule your ads or like theme your ads so it's like Christmas-like. So stuff in the video could actually have like, you know, Santa hats or whatever the case is, whatever you want to like theme it for your business, you know, as long as it's festive. And it just gives your brand overall, like, I guess just a different presence, I guess, than what other people are doing, because some people would literally just do Christmas deals, like winter sale. If you have your whole website like themed for Christmas and, you know, your copyright's themed for Christmas as well, like, oh, this is the perfect gift from Santa, like winky face, like, I don't know, just like something to put in your descriptions, you know, everything will flow smoothly, everything should convert better because it is the holiday season. But guys, there's not too much prep that you have to do. Like I said, basically the same thing as Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Maybe lower your prices, definitely increase your ad spend because you will get a better chance of success in the auction with Facebook if you're spending more money that day. There's a lot of people that are spending lots of money. Guys, really quick, I want to tell you 3 things that you guys should be prepared for when doing your Boxing Week sales, your holiday sales. Number 1, getting the app Wheelio. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this app. It's an email collector, so customers will go on your store, they will see a pop-up on the screen of a wheel, and they can win prizes, they can win discounts, they can win money off their order, whatever the case is that you put on there, free shipping. Essentially, they enter their email to get the discount, and they're good. You have their email collected. Now you can start running email campaigns. So that's the second thing we want to talk about. Number 2, schedule your email campaigns for the holidays. You want to have a bunch of flows being sent out, whether it's just an actual campaign, sending out to your customers, saying that you have those deals active. Definitely some retargeting, so some abandoned cart. So if someone abandoned something in their cart, you want to send them an email that triggers that when they add something in a cart, they forgot it, sends them an email saying, oh, you forgot something in your cart, please come back and make your order, all that stuff. And you'll definitely collect a lot of emails for sure because people want discounts. The more discounts they can get, the better for them, and they'll pretty much do anything to do that. And email, adding in their simple email won't hurt them that much. It doesn't really affect anything in the buying process for the customer. It's very, very simple. And just number 3, guys, just having your socials set up properly. So, you know, like I said, Christmas themed again, having stories sent out every single day, posts regarding the sale. You just want your whole community to be engaged, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, you name it, any platform like Twitter, anything. And you want everything to be congruent with each other, posting the same things every day, the same sales, the same offers, everything that you can imagine, all on the same social media. So guys, just to basically recap, there's 3 things that you should instantly do right now after watching this video. Number 1, inform your team or inform yourself if you don't have a team yet about Boxing Day. Remember that it is coming up. It's the second day of Christmas. You want to be ready for that, and you want to understand exactly what offers you're going to be offering to your customers for those days. Do you want to run the sale for 1 day only, or you want to run it for like maybe like 1 day, have like the biggest discounts, and then as the days go on, kind of make it smaller and smaller? What do you want to do? There's so many ways to go about it. Personally, what we're going to do is like what I just said. We're going to have the biggest discounts on Boxing Day, and then on whatever inventory we have left over, we're going to discount it at a little bit less of a discount. So still on sale than usual, but a little bit less than usual so that we keep more of our margins, of course. That's number 1, figure out your discounts. Number 2,
prep your website. You know, get that Wheelio set up on that Christmas theme. It's very nice. It's very high converting. 20% of visitors are going to be using that Wheelio thing and getting a discount, and it's going to help do nothing but increase your AOV and conversion rate, most likely. And then, of course, don't forget emails as well, and socials. Those kind of go hand in hand. If you have a message that you want to tell your customers, they should hear it. It shouldn't be a secret. It shouldn't be hidden. There should be no doubt. Like, they should know that they're gonna wake up on Boxing Day and they're gonna say, oh yeah, your store is having a sale. They're gonna remember that. That's how important this is. They shouldn't have to second guess and check on Google if you're having a sale. They should know because they're in the loop. Hit up your email list. Make sure all of your followers on Instagram, everywhere, as long as they know, you'll be good to go. And that's pretty much it for this video. We're trying to keep these videos super quick and straight to the point. And so hopefully that one turns out just like this. And hopefully right after this video, you stop what you're doing and quickly apply this stuff to your store because it's so huge. And a lot of people kind of sleep on Boxing Day, but in reality, it's COVID. It's 2020. There is no reason why people won't be shopping online. All those stores are closed. Where are they gonna shop, right? Everything's gonna be closed. Online this year, it's gonna boom. So get a piece of the pie, and we'll see you in the next video.